color yellow bus. Southern Star Bus is one of the public transportation in Bohol, serving a multitude of passengers every day. Its main route is from Tagbilaran city to Obi via Hagna, and the other route is from Tagbilaran city to Taliban via Carmen. It serves Boholano for more than a decade. Their buses ply the interior road and the eastern road of Bohol. This also classified as minibus to other people due to its actual size. But we can't underestimate its size just because it's small. Because if we differentiate this bus to the other buses we see in the other cities in the Philippines, it almost has a capacity the same as the other standardized air-conditioned bus size. This bus has the largest luggage compartment volume compared with its counterparts, with improved cargo carrying capacity to win business opportunities. For now we're going to break through the outside and inside of the named bus vehicles. Stay tuned. In 2011, the conglomerate bought out St. Jude Transportation Company, a bus line based in Bohol, and renamed it Southern Star. Primarily, it was operated under the management of Valakar Transit Incorporated. Later on, Southern Star formed its own subsidiary as Southern Star Bus Transit Incorporated. This is the recent air-conditioned bus in Bohol. It is because its engineering plan of the arrangement of its seat, which is unique to other buses. Its air conditioner machine is located at the top. This is its side view mirror. Its headlights. In this portion we can see the storage cabinet. It can carry a lot of packages. This 3 oval shape hole's purpose is for the engine to exhaust. This bus also has an emergency exit each side of it. Now, let's have a closer look at the inside. Lot of sit located here. This is where the driver sits. Let's remove the outer covering of this bus. Near the driver's seat there also a foldable seat in its side. Its general purpose is for the conductor's seat. But passengers can also sit there whether they want it. Now, let's take a closer look at the location of its engine. The engine is located at the back. Its transmission is manual. This is the package space portion. Its automatic door is located at the front. This is the air-conditioned Southern Star Bus.